For the love of selfies! DxOMark Selfie Report got this one all wrong. First, what is DxO? Established in 2008, DxOMark is an independent benchmark that scientifically assesses image quality of smartphones, lenses, and cameras. That's directly from their website. And I love smartphones, so this score should mean a lot to me. But it doesn't. I'm not scientific, so I just don't care. Maybe you do. That's cool. But when DxO took so long to publish the results from the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, I felt like something weird was going on. Are they being paid to perform testing on other devices first? Why did it take so long after the release for the Pixel 3 to get any results published? This was a hot topic on several tweets that I saw. There was even some fake Photoshop images floating around that had the Pixel 3 DxO scores on them, but they just weren't out. They were fake. The whole thing was very strange. But we're gonna move past that and get down to the actual images. How do they look and compare with each other? When taking a selfie, we take them for many reasons. Mostly to share with other people or to capture a moment. The thing I'm mostly concerned about is how it looks. How does it look when I text it to someone? How does it look when I post it to Instagram? How much attention is this photo getting me? This is the social world. This is where we live and how things operate. So being able to come correct with your A game is very important. Sometimes to help us bring that A game, we depend on the cameras we're using. So we're going to go ahead and go through different photos taken on 4 different smartphone cameras. The iPhone XS Max, Apple's biggest and baddest smartphone on the market at the moment. The OnePlus 6T McLaren edition. I know this isn't a high-end flagship, but I wanted you to have a good comparison on a really solid mid-range. The Pixel 3 XL, which is already known for having amazing photos. Last but not least, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. During this comparison, I took selfies from several different lighting conditions. I also took some portrait, also known as bokeh shots as well. That means blurred background, in case you haven't had a phone with that feature yet. We're going to go ahead and take a quick look at a slideshow of several different photos and which phone they came from and the lighting conditions, and I'm going to let you decide which one is the best. Interesting, right? If I didn't tell you what photo came from what smartphone camera, would you have been able to guess? It's getting harder and harder to compare these front-facing cameras, but the selfie shots are still miles away from each other, as you can see. DxO gave the Pixel 3 and the Note 9 a tied score of 92. Did DxO get this wrong? Let me know what you think in the description. Let's talk about it, but let's be respectful. Samsung fans, I know you're very passionate about protecting your Sammy, but the XS Max and the Pixel 3 gave the Note 9 a run for its money. We're getting ready to do another giveaway here for the Love of Tech, so if you want to get some early entries into the giveaway, go down to the description and type out in Roman numerals 8123 and give me a dash and tell me in the description which photo was your favorite and why. If you like what you see, please consider hitting the subscribe button. If you really like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up. Either way, if you made it till the end of this video, I love and appreciate you more than you know. For the Love of Tech, namaste.